Lopez Mochler. Turn it around. Ratika or anyone from the world.
Straighten out. And ये can
That's what we want to hear now. Very well. Thank you and welcome to What's Up 2013. I think they want to hear you, so I'm going to hand over the mic to you.
Hi guys, how's everyone doing? Okay, first what I want to know is that how do you say what's up? I mean that like you can say it in a lot of different ways. So you gotta help me out and tell me how do we say it? Do we say what's up? Do we say what's up? Or do we say how Caesar and Bosco say what's up? Which way कैसे बोले? Come here. He's gonna tell us how we're gonna say it. Caesar say what's up? Huh? What's up? Okay, Caesar, how do you say what's up?
Hi guys, good evening. First of all, Varun, thank you for coming. And as Bosco and I say, and Varun says, what's up? Woo!
Okay, I have to say, I didn't know much about this. I had heard about it last year from Bosco and Caesar. But when I came here, I saw the art installations. I saw all the people. I'm seeing the enthusiasm. It's great because I'm someone who spent most of my childhood in Andheri myself. Whether Amboli or whether it's watching movies at Fame Ad Labs or at Fun Republic. So, like town has Kala Ghoda and Bandra has its own fair. I'm really proud and happy to say that, you know, Andheri has What's Up as well. So I think a big hand to all the organizers over here. I think Mr. Siddharth Khosla, Bosco, Caesar, Ajay, I think they've all done a wonderful job at putting this out. I mean, look at this here. This is amazing. All these kids who come here and perform, they're also amazing. Kids. वो लोग भाग रहे हैं यार मुझसे.
Hold on kids, we want you here. I'm going to do something for the ladies. We're going This guy's gonna run away. Let's all go back. I mean, we can fight if I call one or two women up here. So why don't you say a few words to these gorgeous women? And will you all promise me not to fight if I call two women up on stage? Will you promise me? Can I pick? Okay, can I pick four women? And you. One of you, come on. Okay, it's basically for all of you girls, beautiful women, but we can't have everyone up on stage. I can't be. We really need to go back to our seats. I will have Varun say a few words to you, but we really need to go back to our seats.
I think because we've spoken about women, what I want to say is actually there's something that happened very recently in Amboli. I'm sure everyone must have heard about Rubin and Keenan. I don't know if you guys know about Rubin and Keenan because Rubin was a friend of mine and defending the honor of these girls, their girlfriends, while they were being eve teased, these boys lost their life. So I think it's very important that we as a society and we at What's Up Andheri, all the boys who are listening, you know, if you see a woman being disrespected by anyone, we should go and stand up for it, you know.
You know, he's saying something.
Lost their life some time back because they were defending the honor of their girlfriends who were being eve teased at night. This happened in Amboli only. I'm sure everyone knows about it. And there was a lot of awareness for it. But time and again we see in our country women being disrespected and being treated badly. So I feel we as men, all the men over here, all the boys, all the young boys, all the young men over here, I think what we need to do is if we see a woman being disrespected, maybe she's not our sister, maybe she's not our girlfriend, our mother, our friend, whatever. But we should go and stand up for it, you know. We should go and interfere because that's what we as men have to do. I'm glad everyone and women, if anyone messes with you, I think it's time you guys also kick some ass, okay? So, कोई भी कुछ करेगा कान के नीचे बजा दो सीधा, ठीक है? Dance after this. No, what?
Okay, thank you for those kind words, those encouraging words. And
if you guys want to see a dance step, we'll do it, but we need Caesar on stage then because we've got a choreographer in the house. Who wants to see Caesar dance? Cheer, man, cheer. You got because Caesar is very ghetto, you know. You can see how he's dressed anyway. So he had his hat on, so we can do the hook step of Bele. If they have Bele, we play it and we can do the dance.
You have. Arey yaar, just because I'm wearing a hat, I won't dance.
Okay, show something. Caesar, come on, show something in the crowd. All. Okay,
you will follow me.
Yeah, obviously.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
thank you, Varun. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you, Caesar. I wish I could fall.
बजाता था वो एनुअल डे पे उसने एनुअल डे स्पोर्ट्स डे पे जस्ट में
स्वतंत्र सर इधर आ जाओ एक सेकंड बेटा माधवी बस थैंक यू
Whatever my mother gives me, I will always but only eat this. I eat that. That's it. I don't know.
How do you eat healthy though?
How do I eat healthy? See, if you see my father, he's not the most healthiest man. So it's difficult eating healthy in a house like that. But I manage. I try and eat a lot of fruits. I try and eat a lot of roasted chicken or broccolis. I try and eat my greens. So eat your greens and but the good greens, not the
Okay, but
सुपर्ब जगह है ये और जैसे मैं कह रहा था कि बैंड्रा के पास फेस्टिवल है, टाउन के पास काला घोड़ा है, अभी हमारे अंधेरी के पास व्हाट्सएप है और यहाँ पे जितने भी आर्ट इंस्टॉलेशंस हैं बहुत बेहतरीन आर्टिस्ट हैं जिन्होंने दिखाई इधर। आई थिंक सिराज जी ने, सीजा जी ने, बॉस्को ने, अजय ने बहुत ही बेहतरीन काम किया है ये व्हाट्सएप अंधेरी में लाके।
आप आना कितना पसंद करते हैं?
बहुत पसंद करता हूँ और मैं चाहूँगा कि मैं अगले साल भी आऊँ और उसके बाद भी इनवाइट करेंगे ये लोग मुझे। और लास्ट टाइम मैंने सुना था कि सीजर और बॉस्को ने परफॉर्म किया था और इस साल भी कोई परफॉर्मेंस होने वाला है। जरूर
वरुण आपको बच्चों का परफॉर्मेंस कैसा देखते हो?
अरे वो तो सुपर था यार, ड्रम्स के साथ जो बच्चों ने किया वो तो मैं कभी अगले जन्म में भी नहीं कर पाऊंगा।
आप कभी ट्राई करना चाहेंगे?
हाँ, तबला नहीं मैंने बजाया है जिंदगी में, किसी को गलत काम किया तो उसको बजाया, पर वैसे तबला तो कभी नहीं बजाया।
प्लास्टिक का ड्रम कभी आप बजाए?
प्लास्टिक वाटर ड्रम स्कूल में मैं बजाता था, वो एनुअल डे पे नहीं, एनुअल नहीं, स्पोर्ट्स डे पे मार्च पास में दैट्स इट।
how are you going to woo a woman with food?
How am I going to
Woo a woman with food.
How will I woo her with food? I'll ask her what she wants to eat and hopefully I'll deliver that with the slight spicy twist because we Indians like spicy food sometimes.
Varun,
Is this your way to connect
Is this my way to connect with the youth? I think there are a lot of podiums to connect with the youth. I think this is my way to connect to a society that I've been part of. I think because it's WhatsApp Andheri and I've grown up pretty much in Andheri. I've lived in the suburbs my whole life. So I've spent a lot of time, I watch a lot of movies of PFA, Mad Labs, of Fun Republic. You have so many areas where that I've always been around. So I think it's great that this is here. So I'm here to connect with Andheri. And I'm seeing a lot of youthful people. Even in the media, there's so many young people. बहुत जवान हो गए आप लोग सब.
What is your message to the youth?
What's my message to the youth is that stand up for what you believe in. Don't let people disrespect women, especially in our own country, because that's something which is going on since a while. And I think we as men have to stand up for that and enjoy your life. Yeah, see the art and culture, the amalgamation of these things are great. You have people like Siddharth, who's be standing next to you. Hopefully, I hope someone like him does stand into elections. So it's great for the youth because he's supporting it. You can see the art and culture and Caesar and Bosco doing a great job, yeah, at WhatsApp. So it's.
And you think it should move from WhatsApp Andheri to WhatsApp India?
I definitely think because first I'm Indian and then I'm anything else. And I think whatever I'm saying goes out to the whole country and not only people in Mumbai or Delhi or any other, but it's for the whole country. And then WhatsApp Andheri, everyone's allowed. Everyone.
Okay, just stay healthy. You are a sex symbol, you're a youth symbol. What would you say to
I'm a sex symbol.
Well, definitely. Youth symbol. What would you say to youngsters out there? How to stay healthy, how to stay fit? And not starve.
No, definitely. I think, and starving, I think that's also very important. I think you should play a sport, yeah, that's the best way. Play football, you should go play football. We are playing on 31st of March on the pitch. Yeah,
You play for a celebrity club.
Now. And before, I was not a celebrity and he was able to play. You should just go play a sport, any sport. It can be badminton, it can be cricket, it can be football, swimming, hockey. And food-wise, eat what your mother tells you, but not always because some mothers will prescribe buttermilk and parathe, big kiwi. Punjabi's mother especially. I think you should try and eat in. Don't eat too much carbs at night. That's something I follow. I don't eat too many carbs at night.
During Student of the Year,
I'm going to be beginning shooting by mid-May, mostly for my next film. And then there are some other films, but I can't talk about that because the production house needs to make announcements all the time. So, but soon, probably end of this year or beginning of next year. मैं एक्चुअली कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ उस पिक्चर में, पर मैंने पिक्चर देखी और बहुत अच्छी और मेरे हिसाब से सबको बहुत अच्छी लगी। नो कमेंट्स, आई कांट।
मैं बहुत अच्छा लगा कि वरुण इज अ यूथ आइकन एंड आपने देखा है कि वरुण जी के आने की वजह से बिकॉज ऑफ वरुण बीइंग हियर सिक्योरिटी हैजर्ड हो गई है हमें, तो हमें इनको बचा के यहाँ पे लाना पड़ा है। बट आई एम वेरी ग्लैड दैट यंगस्टर्स लाइक हिम दे आर रोल मॉडल्स and they promote a good cause, and it just needed Caesar and Bosco to make one call, and he was like, for an initiative like this, I'm more than ready because Andheri is my home. I'll always be whenever you all need me, and I want to thank him in front of everyone for his lovely support. It's a pleasure to have you here, and we're looking forward to you again next year when you come back. Thank you so much.
Caesar, आप क्या कहेंगे WhatsApp के बारे में?
मैं क्या कहूँ, आज का तीसरा दिन है। मैं तो लास्ट ईयर से कहता हूँ और मेरी हिंदी इतनी खराब है कि मैं नुक्कड़ हिंदी बोलता हूँ। तो आई हैव टू जस्ट से व्हाट्सअप एंड थैंक यू वरुण फॉर कमिंग एंड अप्रिशिएट इट।
तो फिनाले के लिए बचाकर क्या करोगे?
वो सीक्रेट है कल के लिए।
वो बॉस्को को पूछना पड़ेगा।
कुछ तो टीजर देना पड़ेगा।
अभी एंड में सब लोग WhatsApp कर सकते हैं।
Teaser ये है आप लोगों के लिए, tomorrow is going to be the biggest,
yeah,
and it will be the best climax that we all have. So look forward to
Caesar कपड़े निकालने वाले कल।
Yeah, and he is going to show his body with the six pack.
मना कर दिया मेरे को।
Shadi reserve that for the next film.
चलो, so we can all end it by saying,
Yeah.
What's up?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Varun, do you mind?
Thank you.